Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change Wi-Fi name on Xfinity. Okay, so the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Xfinity account. Not necessarily the first step, but I just want to walk you through the process of creating your Xfinity ID. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type xfinity.com. That's going to take you to the official website. Now follow through the processes in the website to create your Xfinity ID. And once you do that, this is what you can definitely do to change your Wi-Fi name on Xfinity. That ID is very important for this step. There are two ways to go about that. First way is to use the Xfinity application, and the second way is to use the Xfinity Wireless Gateway Admin tool. Here's how you can use the Xfinity app. Now, Xfinity X5 puts you in the driver's seat, letting you personalize and control your Wi-Fi experience if you have an X5 gateway. The Xfinity Status Center and Xfinity.com website will redirect you to the Xfinity app to view and change Wi-Fi information. This is how you can change your name. Log into the Xfinity app. All right. Once you do that, here I am. Download it on App Store or Google Play, whichever one you choose. Now, if you already have the app, make sure you have updated to the latest version. In the application, go ahead and select the Wi-Fi tab. You see Wi-Fi tab. Click on that. And once you click on the Wi-Fi tab, go ahead and click on Wi-Fi details. Once you click on Wi-Fi details, you're going to see a pop-up that says edit Wi-Fi settings at the bottom of your screen. So click on edit Wi-Fi settings. And after you do that, on the screen, you can view or change your Wi-Fi name or your Wi-Fi password. Once you click on edit Wi-Fi settings, go ahead and click Wi-Fi name and change your Wi-Fi name or your Wi-Fi password. In this sense, we're changing just the name. So change your Wi-Fi name and you're going to see the save button. Click on save to after making your changes so that it can be saved. If you don't click on save, the name will not be changed. That's it. So the next step is how you can use the Xfinity Wireless Gateway Admin tool. This is for the people who do not want to use their mobile phones, so who just prefer using the website, right? So what you're going to do right there is to connect a computer, tablet, or phone to your network. That's your Xfinity X5. Now you can either use Wi-Fi or hook up an Ethernet cable to your gateway. Now open the web browser and go to the admin tool. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type http colon then /10.0.0.1. This is the wireless gateway administration site, and you're going to be asked to enter a username and password. Default username is admin. Default password is password. Case sensitive, lower letters. All right. Now, once you do that, this is the default username and password. That's if you've not changed it. Once you do that, select login. And if you change your admin, okay, I had already said that, right? So once you have done that, on the left navigation menu, you're going to see gateway. Click on gateway, then click on connection, and then click on Wi-Fi. Under the private Wi-Fi network, you see name SSID of your Wi-Fi network. So once you see that, go ahead and select edit. Under the private Wi-Fi network, click on edit. If you see two network names, select edit for both 2.4 and 5G bands to view each band setting. So if you see these two names, that's 2.4 and 5G, select the one that you want to edit. And once you select that, check the box next to show network password and you see password or you see the name. So change the name or change the password, and once you're done, please do not forget to click on save settings option. Once you click on that, that's just going to be it. You'll be able to change your Wi-Fi name on Xfinity. So that's pretty much the process, right? You can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.